Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Saturday wherever you are around the world. Hope you're all having a wonderful time off, a long weekend, and enjoying just some amazing time with your family and friends. But if we're looking at the markets today, you guys can see a little bit of red across the board over the last 24 hours, some mild red and also some mild green. If we're looking across the markets, you guys know by the title of the video, we are going to be discussing Vechain. So let's get right into it. If we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.024 cents, up 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. And if we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $1.75 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $57.7 million. But you know what you're here for, the price. What's happening with the price and where is Vechain going in the immediate short term? But before I even jump into that, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys, especially my Vechain followers, the community. You guys show tremendous amount of support since day one. And you guys know I'm not just one of the new influencers that have just come across Vechain and started covering it. I've been talking about Vechain before anyone was talking about it. And all the people that have stood and stuck around me since then, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and also the newcomers. Love you all. Continue supporting me, and I will continue updating Vechain for you guys as I always do. So let's get right into the analysis. But before we get into that, the good old jazz that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, it has done something very interesting over the past few days, and I will explain as to exactly what that is. So so 2 days ago, we saw the price of Vechain go up to 0.025 cents mark. And last time the price was at that range was back on March 14th. So it's almost been a month since the price of Vechain has seen us retest that 2.5 cents mark. And yes, we have seen a little bit of a retracement since then, but we're starting to see strength building up. And I've been telling you guys on my videos over and over again, Vechain is slowly but surely creeping up where we want it to be going. Remember, resistance is extremely important when we're moving towards the upside, and a lot of people don't understand that. Everyone wants to see Vechain this is what everyone wants. Let me bring out the thing. This is what everyone wants, like this. That's not happening. That is not happening. If you have massive resistance on the way up, it's gonna get blocked out. So let's say this, you're gonna have to break above that level of resistance in order for us to see the continuation pattern forming. And we have an insane amount of resistance built up around here. But if we clear this massive level of resistance, guys, I am very convinced that we are about to retest that 2.8 cents mark, and then especially after that, this massive level of resistance. And what I continuously tell people that like Vechain, let me bring out the measuring tool. So we're still about 40% away for us to retest that zone. And since this accumulation phase, we haven't really broken out of here except last May. So we're almost approaching a year mark of consolidation for the price of Vechain. And this is where the breakout happens. This is where the bear market breakout. This would mean that we're no longer in the bear market consolidation phase. We have broken out, and that itself is going to bring a lot of FOMO. Let that sink in. Right now, what a lot of people don't understand is we're still in an accumulation zone, which is quote unquote the bear zone. And once we break out of this, why do I keep talking about this 3.4 cents mark? Because this will mean we have broken out of this consolidation phase, and then this can create a lot of FOMO, and prices can move up very fast because more people are attracted, more people are talking about it. This is why it's so important. And if you are a viewer on my channel and you support Vechain, and let's say you have more money on the side that you want to invest, that you are okay to lose, remember, dollar cost averaging right now before this breakout happens is what you want to be doing. BTC dominance still extremely high. We're not anywhere close to altcoin season, and when altcoin season comes, Vechain is going to be one of the coins that is going to be breaking out. And I've said, and I'll say it again, this is by far one of the most undervalued projects in my personal opinion, considering what it's doing. Last bull cycle, I've explained, I don't always say they have everything going for themselves. Last bull cycle, I was saying one thing, and all my OG viewers know exactly what I'm talking about. I was saying, Vechain has a strong, blockchain, strong project. It has a real use case, but when it comes to marketing, they're lacking massively. And I'm not sure if someone from Vechain's marketing saw my video, but that was one thing that I was critiquing them about on a continuous basis. And fast forward a year and a half later, we saw them ramp up their marketing. UFC, watched by millions and millions of viewers, has Vechain logo. And now you may be saying, who cares about that? At the end of the day, hype is a huge factor for upside. Huge factor. So do not ever underestimate the hype factor. But as of now, guys, Vechain is looking extremely good in my personal opinion. Sorry about that. If you guys heard that, that is construction going on at the upstairs of my house. So please bear with me on that. Apologies if that kind of hurt your ear or something. But like I said, hype plays a massive factor. And Vechain is doing exactly what we wanted to be doing. A lot of people underestimate the power of Vechain. A lot of people are going to come and say Vechain hasn't done anything, despite the fact that if you come and measure from the bottom of last year, it's still up 61%. If you want those 100% gains, those 100x's, this is not for you. Look elsewhere. But to the OG Vechain community, you guys know what you're here for. Patience is your number one key to follow. Accumulation still in play, but those times are very close to coming to an end. But as always, only time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Vechain going. Love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow when crypto